Another day, another hotel review. So yun, nag-check-in nga pala ako dito sa Easy Hotel located in KL Central, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So yung na-assign sa amin na room is located in level 1. So as you can see, ito nga pala yung way papunta sa room namin. Please note na isa nga lang pala yung keycard na binigay. So para makapasok sa room, kailangan lang itap yung keycard. And then, pagpasok nyo, ang una nyo makikita na door is yung sa bathroom. So, meron nga pala itong sleepers. And then, nandito na rin yung toiletries. May mirror. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na lang yung nakasabit. Meron din pala itong hot and cold shower. At yes, may bidet. And then, meron din itong tissue. So, meron na rin pala ditong desk, and then chair, and then meron na rin telephone, at mirror. So, meron na rin ditong 2 bottled water, and then yung coffee, creamer, tea, which is nire-replenish naman nila every day. And then, meron ding TV, and aircon. And then, ito naman yung cabinet. So, under nito is, nandito yung fridge. Ito naman yung view ng room. So, as you can see, yan yung train station. And then, ito naman yung 1 queen size bed. At sa side dito, meron na rin mga saksakan. Next is check naman natin yung other facilities ng hotel. So, sa level 5, meron ditong water refilling station. And then, punta naman tayo sa gym. So, nag-ooperate ito from 7 AM up to 9 PM. Pagpasok nyo, may makikita kayo dito na bathroom. So, pwede nyo i-book yung hotel na to sa Klook. And then, para may discount, you can use my Klook promo code, Candy Klook. Ito naman yung mga equipment na pwede nyong gamitin. Meron din pala ditong weighing scale, pero hindi ko na siya nasama sa video. Ito naman yung rooftop garden. So, as you can see, meron dito mga couch and then meron ding swing. Katapat lang ito ng NU Central Mall. And then, malapit lang dito yung train station, bus station, at saka maraming restaurants dito. So, ang hotel check-in time is 3 PM and then check-out time is 12 PM. So, kung mag-early check-in or late check-out kayo, may charge nga pala to na 10 ringgit per hour. Ito naman yung children's playground. So, located pa rin to sa level 5. And then, kung may kasama kayo mga kids, so, pwede sila maglaro dito for free. Tsaka, naka-aircon din naman yung room.